Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. So today's tutorial will be on how to make your pockets for your trousers, your shorts, with an inseam finishing. So let's dive right in. Welcome back, guys. So with your already cut out shorts, you are going to measure 3 inches from the top and 7 inches at the bottom. We are going to connect both lines using our ruler. I like to do this before I go to weave the sides of either my pants or my shorts. So guys, please go ahead and like my videos. Kindly share, subscribe and comment. I will attend to every questions you need me to answer. So we'll get a piece of fabric which is 15 or 16 inches long and a height of 11 or 13 inches. I love my pockets long so that I could really contain stuffs in it. So we'll place your already cut out shorts, place it on the fabric, leave a space of 1/2 inch upwards and 1 inch by the side. You're doing this so that you won't have shortage, after sewing the fabrics together. So we'll go ahead and cut out. Remember, 1/2 inch upwards and 1 inch by the side. So I'm going to join the fabrics together, using a stitch of at least 0.25 inch. Then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So I've done that and I top stitched already. So it's time to close the pockets together. This is where the inseam finishing comes in. So instead of just sewing it outwards, like this, we are going to turn it to the right side, and we are going to sew on the right side, not on the wrong side. I don't know if you understand me. Where you will put your hand inside, you're going to be feeling your stitches there. It's not going to show on the outside. So I've done that. Can you see it? So let's turn it from the inside out and see how it looks. I'm going to give it a good press after turning it out. So just go ahead and hold down these places with your pin. Just hold it down. And our pocket is ready. I'll give it a good press. And here is it, guys. Our pocket is very ready. And you can now go ahead and weave and close up the sides of your pants or your shorts. And you go ahead and trim off the 1/2 inch we left initially, when we were joining the fabrics together. So leave your questions below and I will attend to each and every one of them respectively. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. I do not take it for granted. Thank you for always liking, subscribing and sharing my videos. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.